Today we're going to show you how to use Ronseal's new Ultimate Fence Life Concentrate to treat your fence.
So let's get this fence prepped and get some paint mixed up and give it a try.
Just like any other fence coating that you might use, you just need to make sure that the fence is clear of any debris. If it's previously painted, then just use your stiff brush and make sure there's no flaking coatings that might cause problems for the new paint.
Okay, what if it's a new fence? What would I do then?
So if you have a brand new fence, then often they're pre-treated. So we would recommend leave it 3 to 6 months, just allow it to naturally weather. Otherwise that pre-treatment might reject the coating that you put on it and it will just flake away. And then there's 4 really easy steps to follow to mix it up. So the first one is you cut across this top left-hand corner of the pouch. That kind of makes it into a spout, so it's really easy to pour the paint into the bucket. The second step is then to cut across this second line on the back of the packet here. And this is the really clever part. For the third step, you now use the pouch to measure the water that you're going to be mixing up your paint with. So you fill it up to that water fill line 4 times, pour that into the bucket, and then the final step, 4th step, just stir it until the colour's consistent in the bucket, just like you would with a ready mixed paint. And that's it, you're ready to go and paint your fence.
So Jim, we got the paint all mixed up. What's next? Just get it on the fence?
That's it, man, yeah. So just really load up your brush, and then it's just a case of doing a nice thick coat on the fence. Start at the top, work horizontally, like go with the grain. If you get any drip marks, just brush through them straight away so it doesn't dry like that. Of course, you've already got your cover down for any foliage or your patio, so you don't get any splash marks on that, and that's it, you're looking good.